This initial solution will show you how to make YouTube account private. You can choose to make which channels you are subscribed to private or public. By default, all settings are set to private. When your subscriptions are set to private, no other users can see what channels you subscribe to. Your account does not show in a channel subscriber list, even if you're subscribed. So first of all, sign into your YouTube on computer and click on your profile. Click on settings. Click on privacy. And instead of playlist and subscription section, you will find keep all my subscriptions private option. So all you have to need to make your YouTube account private, you have to enable this option from here. And this is how we can make YouTube account private. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.